Is iMessage not working on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac? Messages may turn green and send as SMS instead. In this video, we'll cover the common causes and show practical fixes to get iMessage working again. Part 1. Why is my iMessage not working? Network issues, weak or unstable connection. iMessage settings misconfigured after iOS 26 update. Software glitches, iOS bugs affecting iMessage. Apple server downtime, temporary service issues. Wrong time zone causes iMessage errors. Part 2. Common scenarios and solutions for iMessage not working. 1. Fix all iMessage bugs on iPhone or iPad with one click. If iMessage isn't working properly, don't worry, there's an easy solution. Professional iOS system repair tools like iOS System Recovery can quickly fix the issue. Step 1. Choose the iOS System Recovery module. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Open the program and select More Tools, iOS System Recovery from the main menu. Step 2. Select Standard Mode. Follow the on-screen instructions and choose Standard Mode to fix the issue without risking any data loss. Click Confirm to start the process. Step 3. Verify your iPhone information. Ensure that your phone's details on the screen are correct. iOS System Recovery will download the appropriate firmware based on your device model. Step 4. Fix the iMessage is not working issue. Wait a few minutes for the firmware to download, restart your device, and try sending an iMessage again. The issue should now be resolved. 2. Not connected to the internet. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi Cellular, and connect to a stable network. Test connection in Safari or Mail. If needed, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. 3. iMessage activation issue. Toggle airplane mode on off. Turn iMessage off and on. Sign out or in of Apple ID to refresh activation. 4. iMessage is disabled. Go to Settings, Messages, and turn iMessage back on. Ensure you're connected to the internet and wait up to a minute for Apple's servers to activate it. If nothing happens, proceed with the next steps to resolve activation issues. 5. Can't send or receive iMessage on iPhone. Check internet, toggle airplane mode, or reset network. Check storage, ensure enough free space. Enable messaging. 6. iMessage effects not working. Turn off reduce motion. Enable autoplay message effects. Restart iPhone. Sign out or in of Apple ID. Reset iPhone if needed. 7. iMessage links not working. Restart iPhone and close apps. Check settings. Add recipient to contacts. Update iMessage and reset network settings. 8. iMessage notification not working. One of the best features of iOS devices is the ability to notify you about everything. The iMessage notification panel provides instant alerts for your messages. Whether you're communicating with friends, family, or colleagues, iMessage makes it easy.